Welcome back to my channel, guys. Well, it's been a while since I've been doing any videos about my personal vehicle, and now I feel this is the right time because summer came and now I'm ready for a long trip across the country, and I'm trying to improve my ride quality. Well, not just the ride quality, but saving money in the future. This is what I'm trying to say. This car originally came on a 19-inch rims from the factory and on Continental tires. And for the last 8 years I've been driving on those wheels, and I've been quite happy, but there is a few reasons why I am not happy anymore. So the car was originally tested at the factory on a 17-inch rim for the best ride quality and the fuel economy. Even though the fuel economy is excellent on this vehicle, it's about 46 miles per gallon, but maybe it could be even better with the 17-inch rims. We'll see. Now, the Continental tires were really great for all of those years, and I've been replacing with the new ones only Continental tires, and I've been going with a Conti Pro Contact. They have a nice lifespan, they are pretty soft, I would say, and not too noisy. The traction is good. This is a all season tires, but obviously I would not recommend to use them in the winter time because they don't have such a traction as the dedicated tires. But over the years I experienced multiple issues with hitting a pothole and bending a rim, and obviously I did not want to go to a dealer and spend $450 or $500 for a brand new rim, so I was looking for a local rim shops that could make it straight, and they've been doing a job at least 3 times that I remember for the last 8 years. 3 times I spent $150 for the service, and one time the guy told me that, well, I cannot make it perfectly straight like it came from the factory, I can make it as much as possible straight. So then I decided to go with a remanufactured rim from eBay, and I was not really disappointed from the beginning because the rim came in excellent shape, and you could not differentiate brand new rim from remanufactured. But after 6 months I started to notice that the clear coating peeling off. So this is the problem, you know. You're trying to save money, you're paying for the remanufactured rim $300 and trying to save $150 or $200 compared to buying a rim from a dealer, but you ending up of not being happy with those rims, plus you don't even know how straight it is until you put on the actual balancing machine and spin it. And it could be the case that it's not as perfectly straight as a brand new rim. So I learned my lesson not to buy remanufactured rims anymore. Doesn't matter how good reviews are, it's just not worth it. Because if you want to refinish this, you'll be paying a few $100 to do the clear coating on this one. So what's the point of doing it? Alright, so let's get back why I decided to improve quality. Well, because of the quality of the ride, I mean, because of the side walls doesn't have enough cushion, and probably I could just buy 4 brand new summer tires, the softest one on the market, but since I have one of the rims that wobbling a little bit, well, I don't feel it on a steering wheel, but the guy who was doing balancing, he told me that, well, this rim is wobbling a little bit, so you better take care of it. So I got tired so much of trying to make those rims straight again, and plus the clear coating that's peeling off, so I decided to go with 4 brand new rims that came with this car from the factory for the European market, and the rims that were tested for this particular model. So the 18-inch rims came to Canada and United States only for the reason of marketing, because they look really nice. That's the only reason why we have 18-inch rims on those vehicles, for marketing. So it's going to look really cool and it's going to attract buyers. Other than that, European markets, they do have 17-inch rims on such a E-Class Mercedes-Benz. At least most of them, at least from what I could find it online. So that's why I decided to buy 4 brand new dedicated 17-inch rims, genuine style, and I decided to change to a different brand of the tires this time. After so many years that I've been driving on Continentals, I decided to go with a Bridgestone Turanza Quiet Track. It's supposed to give a good soft ride and a quiet ride. I know that they are also all season, but I have my dedicated Michelin X Ice tire, so I don't have to worry about winter. I'm just going to use it for the summer only. So let's do the comparison between those two, and I can give you later on a feedback about the ride quality. Let's do a little cleaning before installation of new tires. Alright, so the moment of truth. Those are the genuine E-Class multi-spoke rims that I decided to go with. They look more like a S-Class, but those are genuine rims. I like them. They look classic to me, because this is a luxury model. This is not a sport model, as you know by the looking of the grille. This is a classic or luxury model vehicle. So I think those wheels are matching this particular vehicle, and by installing 17-inch rims I'm achieving 10mm more of the rubber cushion. So when I'll be driving over the bumps, I should not feel those bumps as much as before. So the ride should be softer, plus it's supposed to save the life of my rim, this 12mm extra plush cushion. And another reason why I decided to go with this particular style of rims, because of the multi-spoke. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm just hoping that because there is a 20 spokes comparably to 10 spokes on my 18 rims, those 20 spokes will be reinforced and will be stronger than other ones. So for comparison, as you can see, 10 spokes. Yes, I understand that each spoke is wider than this one, but still I'm thinking that the more spokes you have, the stronger rim it should be. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe factory test both of them and they show in exactly same strengths. But in my opinion, this should be stronger. And this is a 245/40 R18, and those are 245/45 R17, which means that the Bridgestone tire is 12mm higher rubber. Overall diameter, both of them are identical, but the rubber is higher. So this extra 12mm supposed to give me a softer ride and prevent my new rim from bending as often as this one. I'm also hoping that those new Bridgestone Turanza Quiet Track tires going to give me a really comfortable, quiet and soft ride comparably to a Continental. When I was shopping for tires, I had the choice of choosing between the Bridgestone Quiet Track and the Goodyear Comfort Drive, but the warranty was much better on a Bridgestone, 130,000 kilometers. Okay, well, I am basically done, and I hope this video was informative for some of you guys, and I'm going to have more information and I can provide better feedback about driving comfort after I go on my long trip. So you can ask me how I like it. If you like my video, please subscribe and check my other videos about this particular model or other German vehicles that I am working on. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.